Now, coming to the FMS for the commercial and SME sector, there are basically two companies, ABSS, as Inchame presented earlier. Earlier, it was known as MYOB South Asia. Today, it is rebranded to Asian Business Software Solutions. So this was established somewhere in 2006, and Sensoft bought into them in 2015. To date, we have over 400,000 SMEs, 90 over 1,000 in Malaysia, 100 over 1,000 in Singapore, and 100 over 1,000 in Hong Kong. And also in the other regions, we have about 20,000 in Indonesia, 10,000 in Myanmar, and about 20,000 in Philippines as well. Now, that's the desktop version of the product called ABSS Premier, which has been long established, and a lot of them know it as MYOB, Mind Your Own Business. So that's a software which actually we don't distribute. We own the IP, and it is built in Malaysia. We have an office in Kuchai Lama where the developers build in terms of new functionality, compliance requirements, all are built out of our office in ABSS. We 2 years back, we also acquired Financial, which is a Malaysian-made software. And today we have over 25,000 users of Financial. These are more for the micro SME businesses. It's completely cloud-based solution, and we have been quite successful in Malaysia as well as in Singapore. I will cover the details in terms of what are the number of agencies we have. Now, Financial is a bit unique. We do that through the banks. You can see the banks down there, RHB, DBS. So DBS being our one of our largest banks in Singapore as well as in Hong Kong. We have integrated with the banking system, and Financial is being used by DBS customers in Singapore as well as in Hong Kong. We have also partnered Singtel. So Singtel as well markets and distributes Financial to their customers. Maybank in Singapore, RHB in Malaysia. It is part of the Reflex solution which RHB sells to their customers. So the backend accounting or financial management solution for RHB is Financial. And we are also in talks with the MBank group here for similar purposes. So that's how the Financial solution is marketed in Malaysia, Singapore, and Hong Kong. Now coming to NetSense. NetSense, this caters for the higher end of the SMEs, those corporates who need a comprehensive financial management solution. The product, we carry two products, Acumatica and Tuition. And to date, we have about 60 over agencies. Sensoft got involved in NetSense in 2020 January. So far, we have 60 over customers in Malaysia and Singapore, and the names of some of the customers down there. Next slide, please. Now, in terms of the financial management solution for the SMEs and micro SMEs, we have a full range of products. So ABSS Premier, which is MYOB Premier, ABSS Accounting, Account Age, Invoice Now, Financial, BI for Cloud is our analytics software or dashboarding system for ABSS, Payroll. We also have an ABSS Connect, which we launched quite recently, which is a mobile application which allows you to connect to authorities as well as cater for your banking needs for both Financial as well as ABSS products, and also a retail management solution. Those are the full suite of solutions we have for the SME sector. Next. Now, to give you a bit of background on our market share, in Malaysia, we are probably the second largest. We have a 14% market share in terms of SMEs. As I explained earlier, we have about 93,000 SMEs using our products. In Singapore, we are the market leader. We have 54%. And in Hong Kong, again, we are the market leader. We have 39% of the market. And those are the number of SMEs who use our software, 100 over 1,000 in both Singapore and in Hong Kong.
What is this? There's a question from Tan. What is stopping Sensoft from becoming market leader in terms of consumer segment, the software? You know, what are the challenges? Because Hong Kong and Singapore, you sort of like dominate, which is like really good to know. But in Malaysia, actually, home base, why is the market share so little? What are the competitors or problems that
No, not competition or what. I think in Malaysia, UBS, right? As a Penang-based
Sage.
of and Sage bought into UBS. So in Malaysia, UBS started before MYOB in Malaysia. So UBS was not available they are available in Singapore, but MYOB was present there was earlier than UBS and as well as in Hong Kong. So that's all. So I would say that we are probably number 2 when Sage bought into UBS. So there were a lot of UBS users. So today, even there are still UBS or Sage 100 users. But we still have 90 over 1,000 SMEs in Malaysia using our product of MYOB. But probably UBS was earlier to us in the market. That's why we are, second in the market. That's the only reason. It's not that we are not. And with financial, with the cloud solution, I believe we can. We have competition like Zero or Intuit for that market segment, right? But the banks prefer to work with us because we are local. We have our development team here. We can customize to integrate to the banking system. That's the only reason why DBS and Maybank in Singapore and Singtel wants to work with us as compared to people like Zero or Intuit, because they are more international players and they don't customize for local. And ASEAN is a bit different because there are 11 countries in ASEAN, and everyone has got a different tax regime, slightly different payroll, and you need to meet those demands. And if you're not present locally in those regions, it's not that easy to to customize and meet those demands. That's what we've been able to do.
Understand. So right now we are already 1 hour and 15 minutes in. I think we keep it another 15 minutes more. So
Yeah.
Rondi, do you have any other questions on other segment before I move into final few?
Yeah, I have one last question on the consumer segment actually, because I'm also a user of MYOB, right?
Mhm.
And I know that my financial controller has always been complaining because it is not really connected to cloud, right? MYOB, what she does sometimes is she uploads it into Dropbox so that another person can download it back into her MYOB in her desktop and all that. And it's as simple as now you also have another product which is Financial, which is totally cloud-based.
Yeah.
So I'm just wondering, number one, can Financial be like a substitute product to MYOB? Do you plan to convert some of your MYOB clients to be with Financial if they prefer to be cloud-based and all that? And do you think that this can actually eat your own kind of like customers?
Okay, good question. I mean, the two markets, Financial and ABSS Premier, have been a different market. But we have plans. We need to be very careful, like what you pointed out, right? We cannot cannibalize our own market. For your first question, we now have what is called ABSS Connect. Like what you mentioned, right? If you want to download your bank statement and integrate that, we have already made that available on mobile for users to use in Singapore. It will be made available in Malaysia very soon. So you can go look it up. It's called ABSS Connect. So those ABSS or those MYOB users, if you want to connect and download your bank statements and be able to talk for statutory, for e-invoicing, or some of those requirements, you can connect through ABSS Connect. That's the new cloud version of the product which we have released. It is been released in Singapore. It will be coming to Malaysia very soon, right? That's one way for you to stay with that existing product and be able still be connected. Of course, with Financial, we are looking at the possibilities. ABSS has got certain functionalities. MYOB has been popular. It's got certain functionalities to meet especially stock, inventory, and job costing, which some of those functions are being built into Financial, and we will be coming with the next options to look at those for them to move towards the cloud. So in future, those who want to move to Financial, they should be able to meet those feature functionality what is available today in MOUB. But don't forget, there are even some listed companies using MOUB for their accounting needs, right? Because it's been popular, it's easy to use, right? So again, we need to be careful which market segment we want to capture there.
Okay. Looking forward for the MOUB, the Connect,
ABSS Connect, yeah.
ABSS Connect, yes.